位置喺大圍啊，呢個係大圍街市。This is Tai Wai Market。咁我就會入咗去先，做晒安心出行啊，過咗啲保安員，然後入去入邊望一望嘅。So I will go past. I will scan the QR code first and go past the security guards, and then continue with this video. 時間關係已經入咗嚟啦，大圍街市。So I'm inside now. Tai Wai Market. It is a wet market. 呢兩嚿咧正方方咁樣嘅牌，好搶眼啊！都唔知道咧應該向邊個方向行好，實在都幾大嘅。I'm not too sure which direction I should go. The size of this shopping mall is quite, of this wet market is quite large. They have quite a lot of shops here.呢邊咧比較多吉鋪啊，唔知點解。另一個門口嚟嘅，咁翻轉頭啦。咁我剛才即係我而家喺個位置咧，其實比較多乾貨啊嗰啲嘅。So the area I was visiting, they have more dried products. Okay, so here it says 燒味 and 撈味. That means BBQ and sweet soya food. 哇！呢度好精彩喎，行咗呢邊先啦咁。But I actually can't find any BBQ food here. Instead, I can see many seafood here.唔該。哇，係大量嘅海鮮鋪頭啊！鮑魚都有啊。There's abalone. They also have crayfish, or maybe we call them lobster. 花甲、聖子。
好似見你，見到啊！之前喺街見你揸車。喂，好嘅，咁大家好。喂，等陣。800蚊嘅有200蚊嘅要收低費。
And they also have fresh chicken. This is quite difficult to find in Hong Kong market. Oh, and I'm on another area. They have some goldfish here as well. A florist. Fresh pork and beef. Another florist. Oh, and they have more dried products here. Okay, that's the toilet, so I'm walking back. Frozen pork, frozen meat, frozen chicken. Meat, okay. Have I visited this area earlier? I'm not too sure. I'm kind of lost now. Oh yes, I think I have been. I did visited this part already. Okay, I will try to go to another area. Okay, I'm walking past the seafood street again, so that I will not go in again. Okay, so they have another street at the back for vegetables. And they have some salad vegetables as well. The choice here is quite expensive as well. I see $18 per kg. I'm not sure if I can find any cheaper ones. I always find the seafood area or the wet market is the most interesting. Oh, they're selling live eels as well. These are chicken. They have fresh chicken here. Oh, okay, so I think I have already visited all the places in this market. 有雲吞皮賣。I think I have already 我覺得我已經行晒成個街市㗎啦。咁兜咗幾個圈。咁因為咧我都第一次嚟啦，所以我都唔知道咧點樣可以有效率地咧行晒成個街市而冇走回頭路啊。Okay, so I'm sorry that it was my first time coming here. I didn't know how I could make the walkthrough more efficient. And some places, some of the areas I have actually visited for more than once, and I think it is quite interesting. A large-scale wet market in Tai Wai area. 咁好啦，咁呢段片咧就嚟呢度啦。咁我第一次嚟啦，咁原來呢度有個咁大型嘅街市啦，咁都幾精彩。咁尤其佢個海鮮街嗰度咧，好多檔海鮮啊！嗰度我覺得係最精彩啊！咁咩海鮮都有，鮑魚、聖子、花甲、扇貝、魚啊、鱔啊，咩都有啊！真係好精彩。好啦，咁我哋下條片再見啦。So I will see you in the next video. And I was quite surprised that they have all kinds of seafood. And they also have fresh meat, fresh pork, fresh chicken. Basically, they have got everything. 好啦，咁我哋下條片再見啦，拜拜。I will see you in the next video. 拜拜。